Travellers and Roma face more prejudice than any other ethnic group in Ireland. That's according to a new ESRI report published today outlining how Travellers and Roma face prejudice in 3 areas of life. Respondents to a survey of just over 3,000 people said they were most comfortable with a Traveller or Roma being in their child's class at school. People were less comfortable with having Travellers or Roma as neighbours, while they were least comfortable having them be in a relationship with their child. There was a notable difference based on class, with middle-class people generally less comfortable with Travellers or Roma than working-class people. Previous ESRI research found the opposite was true for immigrants, where middle-class people were found to be more comfortable with people who had arrived in Ireland from abroad. The author of the report, Frances McGinnity, said this may mean anti-traveller racism is distinct from other forms of prejudice. The research found women and young people were more tolerant towards the 2 groups than men and older people, while people who have volunteered in the last year were more likely to be tolerant. More well-educated people were more comfortable with Travellers and Roma compared to less well-educated people. Renters and those in social housing were more tolerant than homeowners. Using data from the 2022 census, the report also offered context on the socio-economic situation of Travellers and Roma. 3% of Irish Travellers and 26% of Roma had a 3rd level education. This compares to 34% of white Irish people. Just 2/3 of Irish Travellers reported they were in good or very good health, compared to 88% of white Irish people and 86% of Roma. And if you'd like to read more about that, you can check out the Irish Independent.